Really wild weather, of course, John Schwinnaker. You're keeping an eye on what we're going to see here tonight.
Yes, and so far we have missed out on the severe weather. I'm totally okay with that. We still are watching a few storms tonight, and I don't think the threat is done just yet, so don't let your guard down, but we'll talk more about that in a moment. Live look at First Alert Doppler. Let's show you where the rain is. The only county under any watch or warning right now, Northampton County under a tornado watch for another 3 hours. This line is just about through, headed toward Hosky and Como. Let's zoom back to the west a little bit. You can see showers, a couple of rumbles of thunder in this cell as it moved out of Granville and Vance County up into Mecklenburg County, southern Virginia, but not severe. This line extends down I-85, rain just west of Durham, light. Heavier showers just west of Wendell, moving off to the east, and so they'll clip Wendell. Zebulon may pick up a shower, and those points north of Wendell over the next half hour. Let's talk severe risk. The bullseye still up north. We were talking about this yesterday. The Storm Prediction Center has actually adjusted the severe risk east a little bit. Category 2 risk now, basically I-95 and east are easternmost counties. The rest of us under a Category 1 risk for severe weather. Biggest threat would be from damaging winds. Yesterday, the tornado probability, just that 5%, was over most of our area. They have shifted that off to the north and east. They think the biggest threat now is this area. That's why Northampton County is still under that tornado watch, but the probability has gone down for us here in the Triangle. That is good news. We're still seeing a probability for some winds, though, 5 to 15% chance of seeing some wind damage out of any cell that gets rolling. So that's why we're keeping an eye on the cells that are out there. There's one more west of us. Live look at radar. You can see Chase City to Clarksville. I want to zoom down. We showed you this one working out of Wake Forest, Lewisburg, Wendell. And then if we go back, it's this line out here. This is advancing east. It's not severe. It has a lot of lightning with it. This will swing through tonight, I think, between 7 and 9 o'clock, and that could bring us another round of thunderstorms. Now, live look out of RDU, and you can see the clouds, but notice the camera jiggling. We've seen gusts on here. I just saw one go up to 23 miles an hour. So gusts at times, very windy out there. Those winds are going to stay with us until that system clears. Once it does, skies will clear, and tonight will be the coolest night in 3 weeks. 66 in Raleigh, 69 in Fayetteville. Tonight will be in the 60s instead of 70s. Here's that line out west that is advancing east. You can see it getting a little oomph here now. The rain has cooled it, but as long as we have sun out there, that could advance that in. The bulk of the heavy rain still moving up through Pennsylvania. Look at your First Alert Predictor forecast model. Here's the line. By 7 o'clock approaching our area, I think between 7 and 9 this works through. We could have some stronger storms with this, and then that will work off to the east and die out as we head through the evening hours. Tomorrow, clear skies and temperatures in the 80s will be below average. Another below average day. We haven't had 2 days below average since July. 7-day forecast powered by AccuWeather. 82 on Friday, 85 on Saturday, 88 on Sunday. Could have an isolated shower Sunday night. 90 for Labor Day, and 90s return next week. Stephen Lauren.